We're here today to show you how I do a quick setup for a quick photo shoot using the DJI Air S2. And first thing we're going to do is load the battery in the drone. I'm going to turn on the DJI controller. Drone is active. Now we're going to take a look at, check all our settings before we fly. All right, so now the device is booting up. I'm using an iPad Mini 5. I'm going to go to the Litchi app, which is where I store my pre-planned flight profile. I'm waiting for enough GPS signals. The camera is active.
The home point has been set. Please check it on the map.
And everything looks good there. I'll check my camera settings, my exposure settings. I like to set my EV to 0.3 on the minus side. Everything else is automatic. Battery is good, GPS is good. So we are all set to fly. And we're going to do it. Okay, it's time to lift off.
Three feet altitude.
Okay, usually I'll just hover here in the air for a minute, make sure the drone is stable. Now I'm going to load my pre-programmed flight. You can see it on the screen there.
95% battery.
Okay, everything looks good. We drive the drone forward.
Altitude. 56 feet altitude. 94% battery. Recording started. Recording started.
Okay, started the mission. And the drone will automatically fly to a predetermined point, and then I'll get ready to take a picture.
100 feet altitude, 92% battery.
And once I arrive in position, that's position 3 on the automated flight plan, I'm going to switch to photo mode.
Recording stop. Recording stop.
And now I will make sure I've got the
107 feet
framed
altitude,
up exactly the way
battery.
I want it, and I'll take a picture. Looking at the screen, my EV is exactly where I want it to be, in the upper part, middle under GPS. And now I'm going to load the video circle program.
107 feet altitude, 88% battery.
I'm going to switch to video mode on the drone. I'm going to start the camera.
Recording started.
And I'm going to start the mission. Now the drone is going to fly over to point number 1 from its current position. And then it's going to fly that route at 125 feet. All the while we're shooting video.
124 feet altitude. 87% battery.
The zebras you see on the screen indicate a slight overexposure because the EV is at 0. Looking up at the top of my screen here, I have 85% battery on the drone left. And the video circle is complete. So I'm going to stop recording.
Recording
Switch
stop.
back to photo.
124 feet altitude. 83% battery.
Just taking some more shots here.
.60 feet altitude. 81% battery.